Hello everyone, welcome in object oriented programming class. So this is the first video lecture in which you can easily identify how we can create class and object in with the help of Java programming language. By the way, I am using here NetBeans IDE for the implementation of this lab. So let's start. First of all, you have to understand what is class and how we can create class in Java, because you already know Java is an object-oriented programming language. So everything in Java is associated with classes and object along with its attributes and method. So in a simple word, we can say a class is like an object, a constructor or a blueprint for creating any objects. Now I'm creating here a class. I already create a class, for example the demo class, but now I'm creating again. First of all, you have to go through on the new project, then click on the Java application. You can write any name of your class, like you can write here class name is oop finish, and then here you can see class is created. Okay, so this is the class oop, and this is your main method. Here you can call your class. So now I am writing here some variables. For example, I am writing here a single declaration of integer value, for example int x equal to 5. Now I am creating here object, and in Java an object is created from a class. We have already created the class name like oop, so now we can use this to create object. So here I am using double OP because double OP is my class, and my object name suppose Hera equal to what you have write. You have to write here new for the object creation, and then again you have to write the class name like oop and then call the function. Now with the help of object you can easily call the variables of the class. For example, now I am printing here system dot out dot print ln, and then now I'm printing here hera dot x. Let's see the result, what it will be. There is some error. Where it is? In this int x equal to 5. Now it's perfect. Again there is an error in this line. Let me see. Here you can see the oop I am writing here in the small letter, but in the class the first letter is in the capital way, so I am writing is in capital. Now again running the program, successfully displayed 5. So this is the very simple example of class and object. Thank you.